my name is Francisco Neto. I'm a Portuguese physiotherapist. I've been trained to become a Mulligan teacher, so I've been teaching the Mulligan Concept around Europe since 2008 approximately. And it's my first time in Slovakia. I'd like to thank LIBRUM for inviting me. I'm having a great experience so far, and I'm looking forward to know your country a little bit better. I think it's, I'm using other kinds of concepts, I'm not a Mulligan therapist, of course, and I think that each concept has some positive points. So using them in combination is probably the best option. Not only manual therapy techniques, but also educational approaches, also exercise, all that combined makes the physiotherapy treatment complete. I would say that the Mulligan approach is a simple yet effective approach when indicated, and basically can be used as an assessment procedure and if indicated as a treatment technique. In 2 minutes you can decide if a Mulligan technique can be part of your treatment or not, and that's very positive. It's very pragmatic, so you don't lose a lot of time, and we know how physios are busy in their daily practice, so they can use some shortcuts to make their job easier, basically. I think all the physios can benefit from learning. So not only the young physios have to learn, but also the old physios have to learn. So I would say that if you want to specialize in the musculoskeletal area, it's important to keep learning all your life. I would say that younger physios can benefit a lot from attending this course, but also older physios. It's good to combine, even in a course, to combine young blood and older blood, to have different kinds of experiences, to learning from each other. I think it's positive. And learning is part of life, isn't it? So all of them are very welcome, and I'm sure that all of them will benefit from attending the course. I think that it's important to be a good person, basically. We are dealing with people, and if we don't have a good heart, if we cannot deal with people, we are not going to be good physios. Maybe it's better to be a mechanic or something like that. So having some good soft skills is very important, in my opinion. Knowing how to engage with people, knowing how to talk to people, communication is very important. Of course, that besides all that, the manual skills are important, the knowledge is important, but the basis of everything is that we can deal with people and we can understand people. So that's my major point. All the rest can be learned, and all the rest can be refined, let's say it like that, but you really have to enjoy dealing with people and trying to understand people and trying to help people. That's the major thing, in my opinion. I think it's important to think that physiotherapy is evolving each day. So there is a lot of new stuff in physiotherapy, lots of research, lots of concepts, and we have to plan the way we want to grow as professionals. So I'm not only talking about the Mulligan concept, but there are lots of different approaches that keep evolving every day, and we have to be updated so that we can use the best kind of treatment or intervention to our patients. There is a lot of research nowadays, so we have to be able to incorporate that research in daily life and try to offer our patients the best quality treatment. So I think that's it. Basically, that's one important topic we didn't cover so far. And enjoy your profession, enjoy your job, because physio is beautiful.